Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance Good afternoon. I am going to do for you a side table. This table is going to be inexpensive, glam, and functional. So what you're going to need for this DIY is 2 of the Dollar Tree foam boards. And what I did, I decided to cut them out ahead of time. So I went ahead and took my hula hoops, which you're going to need 6 hula hoops. So took one of the hula hoop, laid it on the Dollar Tree foam board, trace it, and cut it out. So you will need a marker, you'll need scissors, you'll need 2 foam boards, you'll need 6 hula hoops, you'll need some twine, you will need your glue gun and your glue sticks. You will need spray paint. For the top, you're gonna need the contact paper, the adhesive marble. I went ahead and traced out the foam board size on top of the marble paper and already tape it or glued it to the top, which is the adhesive liner. And so this is what it looks like. So what I want to do now is take my hula hoop. All the hula hoop has, they all come with these little pebbles in them. And I collect those pebbles. So peel your hula hoop back, pull it apart, and then just dump out your pebbles. Oh, that one didn't have much. Okay, so that's as easy as it gets. Now we're going to go ahead and start to glue together our hula hoop. I want to connect this hula hoop back, just like that. Nothing rattling. And we're going to start to wrap our hula hoop. So I started to add the sides together, all the hula hoops together, and that's 2 sides I added, and I have 3 more to go that I want to do with you. So basically I laid some glue down, and then I add the twine to the hula hoops. Now I want to just wrap the hula hoop for stability. The glue would not be strong enough to hold all the hula hoops together and to give you a stable table, so I decided to use twine. And all you're doing is just wrapping your hula hoops together just to keep them sturdy. Okay, so once you've got your hula hoops where you want it, then you're going to continue the same onto the sides. So I'm going to take it to the side and begin to add more of the twine. So I'm going to do that. I'll come back and show you what all 6 looks like. Okay guys, so this is how the table turned out. I wrapped all the twine on all the sides. And now I'm going to take it out and spray paint it gold, bring it back in, and then we can glue the top on and we'll have a side table. Or if you want to use it as a center table, that's perfectly fine as well. So this is how it turned out. Now I'm going to hot glue the hula hoop and add the top onto it. So we'll have that marble. So I went ahead and add the marble top, and I love the way that that looked. And I decided I want to add some of the Walmart gems all the way around, onto the side and onto all the ropes, just so it have a touch of glam. All right, let's go ahead and add some gems and see how this table turned out. Okay guys, this is how the table turned out. Love the way it looked. It is sturdy, functional, inexpensive. This is a Glam Dollar Tree hula hoop side table. If you like the way that it turned out, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. And I look forward to hearing from you on if this is a table you would recreate for your home. All right, guys, thank you, and I will see you on my next DIY.